You see the snow? Go get in it.
No. This is snow.
You see the snow?
Ah!
Did it fall off the house?
No, that's Darren throwing snowballs.
Oh, that's nice.
Did
that fall off the house?
Oh, so you're really shoveling, huh?
No.
Oh.
Thought I was.
So how deep is it?
Say Merry Christmas.
Very nice.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Kenneth, you got gloves on? Yes.
Yes.
You pick up the snow? Kenneth,
Yeah,
look.
that's pretty crazy.
Go look at Darren.
Kenneth, look.
I think it's perfect snow for
Is
snowman.
Are you guys gonna make one?
See, you pick it up and you throw it.
Mason, no.
There you go.
Darren's gonna throw a real big one and hit me in the face.
Now this one's it's not packing. It's like,
I know it's not packing.
well, the one that's a little bit deeper.
Did you get it? Is it yummy? Did Darren hit you?
Kenneth, look. You can walk through the snow?
You might have to come help her. It's pretty deep.
I was thinking since the sun came up. Yeah. Go ahead
Yeah,
and
for
take
like.
it off. But everything up underneath is just slush.
You gonna throw the snow up?
It is. It's gross.
Get it. McKenna.
Who is that, McKenna?
Listen.
Is that Bryson?
Macy, no. Macy, get in there.
Down to my knees. It's like a little bunker. This is snow. Oh, dang. Ah. It's pretty deep back there.
Yeah.
This one's probably hurt. Let's go more ice in it.
Say Merry Christmas,
You're not
Bryson.
allowed to walk in the snow, man.
That's what I told him earlier. Nice, clean, pristine.
I know. Isn't it pretty though when it's like that?
You wanna
Go
come
for
out
it.
here? You wanna come walk in the snow?
Hi, Zane.
So you want to take snow angel?
What are they doing, McKenna?
I'm not sure if
Hun, do you want to take pictures from out there for me?
Oh, wow.
So I got this going. Just take a few of her.
I'm gonna how's it look?
Looks beautiful.
I'm a snow angel.
McKenna, your daddy.
McKenna, say snow.
I know.
Is it blowing?
It's actually pretty good. Learning. Happy. Learning. Happy.
Now your eyes are closed. Let's do it again. McKenna, look
Colder.
at daddy.
Zane, get up.
McKenna, look at Daddy.
Good. That's good.
McKenna,
Come on, can you help me
McKenna, look
up
here.
You might have to get on this side of her.
Yes. Say, follow me. Follow my tracks. Okay. This is cold.
Did you throw it?
Still like this picture.
Is it cold?
Oh. I know.
Just get any kind of picture of her.
Oh! Is she on her knees?
Yeah.
Stand up.
McKenna, stand up.
Stand up.
Is it cold? Stand up. You're okay, baby. Daddy's gonna come help.
Here you go. It's all wet. Cold and wet. Uh-oh.
Honey, you want to get down, kneel down with her, and I'll try and take a picture, y'all?
I'm trying to put this back on her.
Oh.